Hi, my friend. It's time for weekly Sunday uplift. And today I would like to encourage you to have no doubt. That's right. Doubt is a killer of dreams. Doubt is a killer of joy and happiness and many other things that are good. So I want to encourage you today to not doubt, because you see, sometimes we are born with certain dreams in our heart, right? And we wake up every morning thinking about it. We go to sleep thinking about it. It's on our mind, and it's something that we are here to do. And when we doubt, we introduce a very wobbly vibration to the field, to the electromagnetic frequency field around us. And we just start questioning ourselves if it's something that we're truly meant to be doing, and if it is our purpose, if it is our path. We start doubting ourselves. We don't know anymore. And that starts introducing all kinds of additional thoughts that are not helpful in any way to anyone. And this society will do that to you, you know. All children are born with a certain dream. And sometimes they will share that dream with an adult, with a well-meaning adult who has a lot of doubt or who could not accomplish their dreams. And they instill that doubt in a child. And then that's how it gets introduced. And then we grow up, we look around, and we hear all kinds of naysayers and all kinds of negative people trying to advise us on how to live our life. And that's when doubt gets out of control, and sometimes it takes over. It takes over our consciousness, and that creates a lot of confusion in life, because then that dream that we are born with as a child just goes down the drain, because we start doubting ourselves and we don't even know if that's our dream anymore. And then, you know, the more doubt we have, the more of that vibration is introduced in our field, the more of the confirmation we're going to get from the world that proves that doubt to us. So I want to encourage you today to not doubt. And maybe this week we can live the whole week without doubt and really question these doubts and think about something that you really want to do in your life. Have you got doubt about that because of opinions of others, or even opinion of yourself that you could not do it, that you doubt your abilities to do it? So I want to encourage you to scratch that this week. Let's just try it this week. Let's just really take this doubt and throw it out of your life and see what happens. Because once we don't doubt, once we take the doubt out of equation, then we're going to have faith and hope. And not even hope. Beyond that, we're going to have a knowing that your particular calling or your particular dream was given to you for a good reason. Otherwise, someone else would get that calling and that dream. So we got to understand that if there is a calling on your life to do something very specific, it might be super crazy. It might be just like so big that you cannot even fathom how could that be possible and how you could actualize it. But have no doubt, it was given to you for a reason. So no matter how crazy and how wild, how big your dream and calling might be, there's no doubt that you can accomplish it if you have that calling in that dream. So a good sister of mine taught me this, and I really thought about it. And she went, if you really want to do something and you put all your effort towards it, you cannot doubt it. You simply cannot. If you doubt, it's going to create a lot of obstacles on your path. And help yourself. Help your dream to come true by taking the doubt out of equation. You can't have doubt, baby. You gotta have faith. You gotta have that knowing that there's a sacred calling on your life, and only you can accomplish that. Only you can make that special dream that is in your heart, that you were born with. Only you can accomplish that dream. And whatever you want to do in your life, you should go for it. You should never have any doubt. And I'm not saying that I'm not guilty of it. I'm very guilty of it. Of course, as we all are. But the more we wake up to our true nature and our true essence as magnificent creators, magnificent human beings in this universe, the more we understand that everything is here for a reason, and every desire and dream you have in your heart, as long as it doesn't harm anyone, it's gonna come true if you know in your heart that it's for you and that it's possible. And trust me, it is possible. So the challenge for this week is have no doubt. And it's not even a challenge because it's an inspiration. It's an upliftment. It's an encouragement. So let's go for it this week. Let's have no doubt. Absolutely no doubt. And let's see what happens. Try it for yourself and see what happens. Just for 1 week, for 7 days. Every time you have a doubting thought in your mind, just be like, okay, all right, doubt. You can talk to it and be like, okay, doubt, thank you for sharing, but I'm good. I'm good because in my heart, I really, truly know. I have this knowing. And the doubt will go away. And the more you do it, you train that muscle to become stronger. And we can eliminate all our doubts and bring truth, knowing, faith, hope, faith in yourself. Have faith in yourself. You can do it. You are worth it. You are worthy of it. You have everything you need to make it come true. So please don't doubt. Go for it. Give yourself permission to go for it. No matter how crazy and wild your dream is, you can do it. And only you can do it because you are so unique, you are so beautiful, and there's no one in the world like you. So, go ahead. Go ahead. Don't doubt. Just go for it. I believe in you. I love you. Have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful week and light up the world.